Alright, what's up? So, this is Ian Valesa, and pang ilang take ko na ba to? Ewan ko. Anyway, well, the reason that I created this video, hindi pala sa training video, the reason that I created this video is because I want to invite my friends ulit sa Treasure Marketing Field to come sa gathering namin this Friday, August 3 sa Mega Mall. Okay, so, my mentor will be coming here in the Philippines to visit me. And he's very successful. His name is Jerry Shen. He is very successful in treasure marketing. In fact, he made hundreds of thousands of dollars in his first 2 years of treasure marketing field. And right now, he is a trainer and better networker and renegade networker. And he's one of the best attraction marketers in the planet. Okay? So, my friends told me, kailan ba to? Paano kayo makapunta? And some people na hindi ko kilala nag-post sa akin, nag-message sa akin that they want to come. Okay, so yung gathering will be on August 3, August 3, Friday. Tomorrow yun na yun, in SM Mega Mall sa Boss Coffee. So, I'm inviting all attraction marketers na gusto matuto sa amin. So, by the way, the best attraction marketers in the Philippines will also be there. My friend Edison Victorino will be there. Si Angelica Rondolfo, she's very successful in his network marketing company, and she's a top earner in the company, and right now she's also a trainer, okay? And she will be there. Tapos I think Gilby will be there. He'll be there. Parang Bisaya na. And then I don't know sa iba, because hindi pa nako-confirm, pero yung tatlong yon, and mag-invite sa mga kaibigan nila, they will be there, and maraming attraction marketers ang pupunta doon because they want to learn from each one of us. Okay, so guys, if you want to come, okay, just send me a message. It's 0999-365-1414. That's my smart number. Okay, isa pa, 0999-365-1414. Okay, one more, 0999-365-1414. Okay, so I'm sorry may sorry pala sa background kasi kung may narinig yung kumakanta because birthday ng daddy ko, and so nag-inuman sila dito. Tama ba yun? Sinabi ko nag-iinom. No, actually, hindi ako umiinom, sila lang. And, nag-inuman sila, nagkakantahan, and, nagkakainan. So, ako kumakain lang, okay? Because I'm Christian and I don't drink. Okay? Pinapag-get yun, dude. Anyway, yeah, just send me a message sa cellphone ko. Kasi bukas na to, 5 p.m. And, the best thing about this, guys, is you can get our coaching for free. Tapos whole day pa tayo kasi from 5 p.m. to Sawa. Kasi after tayo mag-meet sa Boss Coffee, kain na ng dinner. Kasi syempre, gutom na ako noon and gutom na rin mentor ko. Papainin ko siya, kain kayo. Okay, ito all can sa taas. I don't know. Saan ba na yun? Basta sa taas. Okay? And, magkikwentuhan tayo. You can make new friends. So, yeah, send me a message sa cellphone. Ano pa ba? So, yun lang. Yeah. Okay, so, I'll see you tomorrow sa SM Mega Mall. Have a great day, and God bless. Bye-bye.